Whether you're planning a weekend camping trip, out and about shopping, or hauling material to a work site, Bedslide is the easiest way to load and unload your truck bed. Simply grab the full width handle, pull, and Bedslide rolls your gear out to you, saving you time and effort along with eliminating knee or back pain and injuries. The heavy-duty composite WeatherDeck surface is weather-resistant, unlike other wooden truck slides. Bedslide 1000 Classic comfortably holds 1,000 pounds of cargo evenly distributed. It comes complete with side rails, 4 adjustable tie-down points that can be easily moved to the perfect location to secure your gear, and built-in BedTrax T-slots along the sides and front for safely securing accessories and sport racks. There are multiple locking positions for convenience. Bedslide operates with 4 sealed bearings protected from the elements for smooth, seamless movement. Easy to install, Bedslide offers both drilled and no-drill installation options. The patented no-drill brackets use the factory bed bolts or OEM tie-down points in the truck's fender well without drilling into the truck bed. Bedslide 1000 Classic fits most full-size and compact trucks and is available in silver or black finish. Bedslide is made in the USA and built to last with a lifetime warranty. Get more out of your truck with Bedslide.